Good morning. I feel like it's not even morning actually, it's late afternoon. I have, worked on my YouTube stuff and I have a couple things that I need to get done around the house. I was actually laying on the sofa. I don't know if anyone ever does this, but I just started to feel like this guilt feeling like I shouldn't be laying down. Because I have so many things that I need to be doing. And I don't know if that's just like the multitasker in me or if it's the Capricorn in me. I don't know what it is, but the guilt won and I couldn't just let myself sit there and relax. And honestly, I didn't even have like a hard work day. I should have filmed more videos, I should have done more editing and all those things. So I didn't even do that. So I guess that's maybe where like the guilt came from. I don't know why. But I think I'm just gonna kind of tidy up the house a little bit. So let's go. I've had this pumpkin here for a little bit, and I love the idea of a pumpkin, but it needs to be bigger. So it's just kind of underwhelming, I think. So I'm gonna move it, and I think it would be really cute right here. And by the way, that's me when I was, I don't know, 10, 11, I don't know how old I was. But anyways, I think it looks really cute right here. Back, you can just kind of see as a little bit of pumpkin there. I feel like I'm gonna redo this section in the next year. I love where I started going with this, but I do foresee some decor updates probably around March in the spring. Now that we've got the upstairs clean, even though it needs a good vacuum, I have this to recycle, but I want to show you guys what I got in the mail. I actually got it sooner than I thought I was gonna get it. It wasn't scheduled till Wednesday and it came today, and today's Monday, so that's exciting. But I got the curtain rod for the library, and I just want to show you guys the detail. I searched for a while trying to figure out exactly what I wanted. I knew I wanted something that had like a wood detail, and they had this in several colors. I probably should have gone in the lighter color that they had, but I just decided to go with this darker one. But we're gonna roll with it anyway. So anyways, this is what it looks like. I added the clips to it. I decided I definitely need a drill tool to hang curtains. One of the things that I absolutely hated about hanging curtains in the last house was I just didn't have the proper tools. I just basically use like a screwdriver, and that gets really exhausting, especially if you're like not standing at the right angle. Just don't have enough strength to get the brackets done. So I decided I'm not gonna mess around this time, and I ordered a drill set from Amazon. I picked one that was really cheap compared to all the others. It was about $30, and they mostly range in the $60 range. So I found like a knockoff version of Black & Decker. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this shot, but so I'm gonna wait for that tool. It's supposed to arrive tomorrow, and I'm gonna do 5 clips for each curtain. In the next couple of vlogs, you'll see me add, we'll be fixing this area, and we'll be taking care of those pictures and all of that. Also, another little update, I thought I was gonna do a dresser here, but I found the cutest French provincial style writing desk, and I think a writing desk is just genius because, you know, we're reading in here, and I just like reading and writing kind of like goes hand in hand. And even though I have like an official office, I still think the idea of a writing desk from a decor perspective would be really cute. Plus it's not that big, and I feel like this section can't really take a big piece of furniture. So I think I'm gonna settle on this writing desk, but you never know, I could change my mind and I could end up doing like a dresser like I originally said I wanted to do. And then I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do here. I thought I was gonna do like book quotes, but I'm thinking maybe like a chalkboard where I can write my own book quotes and keep changing it. I don't know. I'm gonna throw up some pictures, some inspiration, and comment down below and let me know what you would do. So imagine this writing desk, which I'll try to throw a picture of that too. And then what would you do here on this wall? So with the pictures that you're seeing, comment down below and let me know. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like paint touch up right there. I don't know what they did, but they clearly did not have like the same paint. Maybe they thought they did. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of paint repainting, but that's gonna be a 2021 project. So, you know, yeah. So anyways, because when I moved into this house, I gave away all of my furniture. You guys know the spiel. I moved into this house in February, really didn't bring anything with me, and I've been working on getting it furnished, and now we're into the holiday season. So there's just things that I knew I just wasn't gonna have time to do. So I'm looking forward to getting that up on the wall, and now I need to vacuum. Definitely feeling a lot better now that I kind of got up and got some more things done around the house. I just don't know why. And honestly, I hate to like pick at myself, but it's one of the things that I consider a flaw for my personality, is that I'm way too hard on myself all the time, and I constantly expect myself to be like going, doing, completing, you know, and it's kind of annoying that I can't just allow myself to, you know, am I making any sense? But anyways, enough of that. Sitting out with Loxy, the sky is like crystal blue. There's not a cloud in the sky from my vantage point. And I have some leftover hamburger meat. So last night I cooked hamburgers and I have some leftover, so I'm gonna just make those again, finish off the beef, and I think I'm gonna get onto eBay and search for books for Eloisa James. Plus I need to start redoing my Joanna Lindsay inventory. Eloisa James is the next author that I got recommended from you guys, so I'm gonna try to find like a lot for sale on eBay where I can get a bunch of her books and get started on that. I'm just like really eager to work on the library. I really thought I was gonna put it off. I wasn't gonna tackle it till after Christmas, and now that like I'm slowly getting there, I'm just extra eager now. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna watch probably a little bit of YouTube on the TV, get caught up on all of the YouTubers I watch, and now I think I can chill without feeling